In this video series, I'm going to show you how you can put together a mobile site for your business, organization, or just because you need one. Now, it is true that you need a mobile website these days. There's more people browsing on mobile devices than there are on regular computers, so it's becoming a necessity that you have one. Now, fortunately, you don't have to go hiring a web designer to make a simple mobile website. You can do it with tools that Google provides you for free. So what we want to do is go to sites.google.com. Now you're going to need a Google account in order to use the tools in Google, of course. So if you don't have one, it's free to open one. Just click the sign up button up here and go ahead and create an account for yourself. If you already have one, just sign in here. Now once you're in here, you'll be able to use the Google Sites tool to set up a mobile site. You can also use Google Sites to create regular websites, but that's not what we're concentrating on in this video. So let's go ahead and get started creating our site. First, click Create. Now, you want to browse the gallery for more. Now, up in the search bar here, you want to type in the word mobile to find the mobile themes. This is going to give you a list of mobile optimized themes. So you can scroll through these till you find a color theme that you like. Okay, so there's lots of different ones in here depending on what you want to do. You'll see also that some of these are niche specific, like here we have a mobile restaurant in black. That's not the case for all businesses, but you may be able to find one that fits your particular needs. Otherwise, you would just go ahead and pick a color scheme that you like. So it depends on the business you're creating the site for. Okay, I'm just going to go with the orange one here. This is just a generic type of site that you can create any site you need with it. So let's just preview the template here. So this is what it's going to look like more or less on your site. Of course, this is just the basic template. You're going to be doing more with it, as I'll show you as we go here. So if we're going to use this one down at the bottom on the left, you'll see select. So we're going to select this one. Okay, and then we go down here and it says name your site. So this would be the business name, Joe's Posies. Okay, now here you can put in the name of the URL you want here. So it starts with sites.google.com/site/ and then you can populate this as you like. So let's say Joe's. And you shouldn't use capital letters in a URL. Otherwise, depending on what type of server somebody uses, people could end up not getting there because they didn't key in a capital letter. Yeah, so you'd want to keep these as small letters in lowercase. Okay, now we don't have to select the theme. Here we have more options. So we'll do site description. So this is like your tagline on a site. So we'll say all about pretty posies. Now, if it contains adult content or mature content, you need to click this here. I don't think our Posy website is going to fit into that category. And then down here, we just key in the CAPTCHA code. Okay, and at this point, we're into our design phase. So we're going to pick up with the design in the next video.